Hi everyone, as promised, a bit of a breakdown for paper 1, history IB. So paper 1 is worth 20% of your overall mark. It's going to be 1 hour and you have 4 questions. Now the paper is a source-based paper. You will get 4 sources on a prescribed topic. So those topics will either be apartheid in South Africa or civil rights in America. In the real exam, we won't know which one of those topics will come up, so you must revise both. Now, the paper is called Rights and Protests, so you must go through all of the other questions to see the section that says Rights and Protests, because other schools may have chosen something else for paper 1. We've chosen Rights and Protests, which actually fall the first question as question 13. Okay, so the first question you will answer will be question 13, and it's in 2 parts. So question 13A and question 13B. Both A and B will get you to look at a source and explain what the source is saying. So actually you don't need any prior knowledge. Question 14, so the second question you will answer, will be asking you the values and limitations of a particular source. That's where you need to refer to content, origin, and purpose. So thinking about when it was made, why it was made, and who it was made by. Okay, so you need to make sure that you refer to those buzzwords in the answer. Question 14 is worth 4 marks, and you should probably spend about 10 minutes going through the source and answering the question. The third question you will answer in the exam will be question 15. That's going to be asking you to compare and contrast different sources. So you have to look at the similarities and differences of those sources. This will be when you refer to the content of the sources. So how are they similar in what they are saying? How are they different from what they are saying? You must not refer to origin or purpose in this answer. Now, this question is worth 6 marks, and you should be spending 15 minutes going through the sources, looking at the similarities and looking at the differences, highlighting one colour and the other, and then answering that question. Now, the fourth question you will answer, question 16, is 9 marks, and this is an essay-based question. So you will be expected to write an introduction and a conclusion. It will be asking you to refer to all 4 sources and your own knowledge. Now, you must not just quote from the sources in your answer. You actually have to apply the sources and your own knowledge in answering a question. So refer to the sources as opposed to just quoting them and putting them in and then not referring to them. Here are some examples of questions that have come up in the past for that essay-based question, which is worth 9 marks. So I hope that gives you a bit of an insight into the structure of paper 1 and what is expected of you. Just as a reminder, you have 4 questions and you will have 4 sources to go through. Okay, I hope it was helpful and I'll be speaking to you soon. See you later. Bye.